Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. In this video, I'm going to be cleaning my bathrooms, mainly the upstairs bathroom and my master bathroom. And basically, I'm just kind of maintaining it. I try to clean my bathrooms like especially when it gets warmer outside. I try to at least do them maybe like, like, and I'm talking about cleaning the shower, toilet, everything. I do at least like every 2 weeks. But one thing I try to do is I try to like maintain it. And what I mean by maintaining it is, just your normal, like everyday cleaning and stuff like that and all that. But in this video, I'm doing all of it. I'm cleaning the shower because, yeah, it needed to be done, both in my daughter's room and my bathroom as well. But anyway, one thing I also do is I kind of make my own DIY solution for it. And what I do is I take some 70% rubbing alcohol and distilled water. And then I also do like some Dawn dish soap, and I don't really have a specific like measuring per se. I just kind of do like maybe a few little drops in there just to have a little bit of soap because it's it's antibacterial along with the rubbing alcohol. And then I put also my like essential oils in it, and just depending on what my mood is. But that's pretty much what I do. And then once I get everything into the spray bottle, I kind of shake the spray bottle up real good. And that's my DIY spray. And that's what I use. I've heard about people using vinegar. I have to say that, I heard like vinegar that, cleans the mirrors and stuff. I heard it works really good, but I just haven't tried it yet because, I'm afraid, I guess, the smell. I know some say that it don't linger a long time, that I'm still very cautious of it. But anyway, I got the glass cleaner, so I might as well use it. And I may eventually go ahead and start doing it to clean vinegar, because I'm trying to get away from using like chemicals in my house and stuff like that. So anyway, as you can see, I'm cleaning the mirror in my daughter's bathroom, and then fixing to clean the sink. And again, I use my DIY. Yeah, my daughter loves that stuff. I've used like Pine Sol because I have some Pine Sol, and I used it one time in her bathroom, and she did not like it. She said it just didn't. She said she likes the other stuff, which is what I'm using right there. So I was like, okay. So I make sure, I use, that in her bathroom. But anyway, I'm trying to kind of talk more in my videos so that way I don't have to play so much music and stuff like that. But anyway, yeah, I don't really know what else to, talk about per se or anything like that. But, oh, and I was going to say, like, later on, when I do go into my bathroom, what was I going to say? Like I said, I clean, my shower, my daughter's bathroom. Like I said, try to do it every once a week or 2 weeks or something like that, just to keep it maintained. And it really helps out with like not building up soap scum, because if I let it go and let it go for like a month, oh my gosh, like I spend hours cleaning it. But I don't have to because I stay on top of it, and I maintain the bathrooms. But anyway, that's pretty much it. And on the toilets, I make sure that I do use a new rag. I try to show when I get a new rag in there when I do the cleaning of the toilet. But anyway, but that was a whole new rag that I used. So just to let you know, and all that, I'm not using the same rag like all over everything. So yeah, and I even use the one for the floors when I mop the floors. When I'm done in the bathroom, I mop the floor with the rag. As I could use a steam mop in there, but I don't want to drag it all the way upstairs. And I'm like, it's kind of a small bathroom, and I'm like, I can just, and like I said, I maintain everything, and that includes the floors. I try to at least mop it, once, twice, 3 times, a week or whatever. So I try to keep it, pretty well maintained and all that stuff. So anyway, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And like I said, you'll see, and here in a little bit, you're going to see me go into my bathroom and do the same thing in there. Anyway, I haven't done I guess a bathroom, full just bathroom cleaning video in a long time. And I was trying to do a little bit different. I was trying different angles and stuff like that, so you could actually see some of the things I was doing and all that. So you'll see all that. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I also wanted to say too, I did get a notification from YouTube, and I posted this on my community tab page. So I hope when you get the alerts, you should get a notification when I post in my community tab page. And it's just a page where, it's still on my YouTube channel. You just kind of look underneath my avatar, or what do you want to call it? My profile picture or whatever. And then it'll say, I guess, videos and stuff like that. And if you just kind of get that and scroll it to the left, I guess it's what it called. You'll see the community tab page, and I just post messages there on my community tab page. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Yeah, I had gotten 100 subscribers, and okay, here's a funny story. So I had gotten up to, it's I got to 98, and then one by one, it's I don't know if the person subscribed and YouTube unsubscribed them, or if it was YouTube itself. I don't know what I mean, because I know other bigger channels are having that issue where they are, it's they get new subscribers and then it gets taken away or something like that. So I don't really know what's going on. I don't know if it's algorithm or whatever it is. And as you can see, I'm in my bathroom. I'm cleaning my shower. Anyway, so back to what I'm saying. So I have now 100 subscribers, and I want to thank you guys for that, because you guys watch my channel, you subscribe, and you like and share, and some of you have commented to me, and I really love conversating with you guys, and I hope you continue to do so. But anyway, so I reached 100 subscribers, so I posted on my community tab page. Oh my gosh, and I got that notification from YouTube, so I was like, okay, this is really legit, and all that stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys, because I was like, oh yes, finally, because I've been wanting to get to 100 since I think March or whatever, and all that stuff. I just wanted to get to 100 subscribers. Anyway, so it's just a milestone, and I enjoy making content with you guys. And, it'd be nice to kind of make a little extra money and everything like that, because, we're just a one-income family. So when we do makeovers, in my home, we try to do it with, stuff that we have around here, or, if we're doing with paint or whatever. Any type of makeover, we try to use what paint we have at the house. Now, sometimes we may go ahead and buy new paint or anything like that, but we try not to. And also, I just did a guest room makeover, and I guess what I could do is I could go ahead and link it in, take that back. I don't know. Yeah, just to let you know, I did a guest room makeover, and you can go see that. I won't be able to, it's kind of hard to explain. My last video will be posted this coming Friday, and I was planning to put this video out tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So anyway, but make sure you check out, and once all my videos, once they're posted, I only have one more. Once it's all posted, I will link them in the description box. How's that? That's what I'll do. But anyway, that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on what's going on. And I'm going to try to do new things on my channel too. I'm going to try to upload a little bit more and, upload videos. And they won't be like real long videos like the ones I post on Friday. I'm going to try to make them, shorter. And my goal is to do at least like around 10 to 15 minutes or something like that. But this one ended up about 17 minutes long, almost 18 minutes long. So it was a little bit longer than I anticipated. But anyway, when I was editing, I was trying to figure out how fast to fast forward some of these, clips and stuff like that. And, I use YouTube Creators app. And when I do it, I will check to see how it does and everything like that. Because sometimes it'll like glitch. And if it glitches, it doesn't do good for like the audio or for the music or anything like that. So I try to do it where it's not going to be all like jumping around and all that stuff. So I have to really watch that. So that's one thing I do. So anyway, but yeah, I just, try to use YouTuber's Creators app so I don't have to pay money to use another app. And I also use music from YouTube Audio Library. And I think that they have pretty kind of decent music. I have found some music that I like. In fact, there's one I like called Beyond. And I kind of try to use that as my intro sometimes and all that stuff. So, but anyway, as you can see, I have talked like over 11 minutes already in this video. So that's pretty darn good if you ask me. So, but anyway, I am kind of getting tired of talking. I will say that. So I might go ahead and just play like a song or two, depending on how long they are. Just, play a song or something like that until you get to the end of the video. But anyway, I just wanted to make sure you do comment, like, share, and definitely make sure you subscribe. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you to all you who have subscribed, my 100 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Alrighty, guys, I am going to go now and rest my voice, and I will talk to you guys later. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.